Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Golden Gate local and long-distance movers near me. You don't have to worry if your location is long distance, as we've got your back. A long-distance move is at least 50 miles and above. We can assure you of maximum security throughout the transfer. And this is possible because of the long-standing and excellent relationships we have with the federal and state authorities. Our insurance policies also secure our customers' interests during and after the move. Not only do we offer long-distance moving services, but we can also relocate you to your immediate locality. Our rates are not expensive, as we offer about $30 to $40 per hour. Our movers are responsible and dedicated to their duty. They are also practical and time-conscious when dealing with clients. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Golden Gate moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.